Hi, welcome back to Air Engine Research. For those of you who are looking in for the first time, I'm in the process of building a compressed air engine to put in my car. And this is part of the engine. It's an eccentric drive, and I need to check the balance to make sure that that's okay. So I'll be doing that today. Just a little vibration at 950 to 970 RPMs. Once you get past that, that's 1200 RPMs. That's 1500 RPMs. 1800, 2000, 2200, 2200 RPMs, and the only out of balance would be around 950 RPMs, just a little bit. So I think that's running pretty good. But for now, I just wanted to do the balance on the eccentrics, and it looks like that's okay. Well, I've been working on my engine since May. So that's May, June, July, August, September now. 5 months. And I think I've got almost everything made that I need to put it together, except I have the two little rotors that will have to go in here that operate the valves. And I need an adapter plate made that goes on this part and bolts to the back of the engine, and an adapter that goes from my drive shaft to the pilot shaft on the transmission. I can't make those two things. They're too big. The plate is too big, and the other one is too big around to start with. I can't turn that down. So I have a friend that will be doing it, but he said he can't do it until probably the first week in October. So another 15 days, 20 days maybe. But in the meantime, I can start putting some of the things together. And we'll see how that's going to go. Right now it's just about lunchtime, so I think I'll call it a day and come back out tomorrow. And don't miss the next exciting episode where I start putting parts together. See you then.